Hey guys, I'm Katie and welcome back to Katie's Creations. Today I'm showing you how to safely remove dip powder nails. I really want my videos to be for the everyday person. In this video, you'll see me show variations of how to do the same step with different tools. You may be tempted to rip off your false nails. Also, I've seen some people working at nail salons where they try to wedge a fake nail tip underneath the nail. Say no to this. This is not good for your nails, and request to have them properly removed. Using a coarse nail file or a coarse nail bit and drill, file down the shiny parts of your nails. I do also want to say that if you are someone who loves doing their nails, I would highly recommend getting an inexpensive e-file and trying it out on a very low setting until you're comfortable. I can link some affordable e-files below if you're interested. I'm also taking away most of the length. You can easily do this step with nail clippers. Here again, I'm just showing you this step is possible with a nail file if you don't have an electric one at home. For this step, I'm using cotton balls, 100% acetone, I got this one from Walmart, and some kitchen foil. I take a small piece of the cotton ball, soak it in a lot of acetone and tinfoil, and then wrap it onto my fingers. Alright, time to soak these babies. I let my nails soak for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, I check to see if the product has melted down to a sticky, mushy goo. I personally find dip powder easier to remove than most gel polishes. If the product does not remove easily, soak for another 5 minutes and try again. If there is still a little bit of tackiness on the nails, I just take my e-file or my nail file and gently buff off the rest. You should never use a carbide bit on natural nails. I finish off the removal process by cleaning my nails with some rubbing alcohol, and then I add back some moisture to my nails with my absolute favorite cuticle oil. I'll link that one down below as well. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.